Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your iPhone 12 Pro Max, at the first you have to download application to transfer data. So we have to enter for the Play Store and App Store. Let's start from iPhone. Tap on search pool and type send anywhere. We have to get this application. It's totally free, you don't have to be worried about that. Just download it. Do the same on this Android phone. I did it, and right now I can easily open this up. So let's get it. Now we are waiting on iPhone, and we can open it also here. So right now it's very important to accept all of the permissions that pops on your screen. The same is going to happen on the iPhone, I mean on the Android phone. So let's accept it, and as you can see we can transfer here the photos, videos, audio, apps, contacts and other files. But it's only example, so I'm going here to transfer some files. I will take picture of this dog. As you can see, it's very angry dog, so I'll also take the second picture. And I think that I can take maybe this screenshot, I think. Okay, so if you select everything, you have to go here and tap on send. After that, on the iPhone you have to move to the receive, click right here and input this key here. So use the keyboard, click received. Now just wait. Click here OK. And as you can see, the transfer is complete, so we can easily enter for photos, and here we are able to enjoy photos and screenshot. As you can see, the transfer is very easy, so I hope that I help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!